Welcome to Unit 3. This unit is about different kinds of stories, including news stories, both good and bad, as well as spy stories and picture stories. In this unit, you'll learn how to use narrative tenses to tell stories. We'll focus on the past simple and the past continuous to describe actions in the story and the scene. Last night, I was watching TV when someone knocked on my front door. Have you ever seen a James Bond film? I think I've seen about 5, and my favourite is definitely Skyfall, with Daniel Craig as Bond. In reading and listening, you'll read an excerpt from a classic James Bond story, and you'll try and work out how it ends. The video in this unit is about a real story from the past, a tragedy that happened over 100 years ago and claimed more than 1,500 lives. Vocabulary and speaking looks at adverbs, both regular, for example, carefully, and irregular, for example, fast. Adverbs are important because they can really help bring a story or narrative text to life. What's the date today? When were you born? In everyday English, you'll look at how to say dates correctly. Mr. Class, you can go online and look at the material again and do the online activities. Are you ready? Let's get started.